This is my newly acquired Galaxy 3713 box fan. It is from the 1980s. Doesn't have any slats missing on the front or back. Still has the handle. The paint is in really good shape. It's kind of a greenish color. And it's a 3-speed motor in this one. So yeah, it's in really good shape. The grill is heavily yellowed, unfortunately, but it doesn't really bother me one bit. Here's the back. It's got the plastic Marco motor, which has that awesome humming noise or whining noise, however you want to describe it. I've liked these box fans ever since I was a kid because of the way they sound and the way they look. So again, the paint is in very good shape. And if you look over there, I have a Lasko branded version, and then somewhere else over there I have a 2-speed Galaxy box fan. This one is the only one that's kind of greenish that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'll show the amp draw first, and then we'll watch the fan run. Here's high. Medium. And low. This thing is well within spec. These motors are rated at 2.2 amps, so it's not pulling too much at all. Alright, let me start it up on high. It does wobble a little bit. Wobbling pretty much goes away when you turn it down to medium. It's only on high. This fan moves a lot of air. I'm quite impressed with the volume of air that it moves. Hold it on the low. Just like medium, it runs nice and smoothly on low. It's very quiet. These fans have very nice speed spread. Have not oiled this yet or anything. This was a birthday present. I do have the original box, which I'll show you in just a second. Alright, so here's a picture of the original box. I don't have it with me at this house, but I do have the original box. So now it's time to do some startup sounds, and then that'll be it for the video. Here is high. This fan is very clean. Doesn't look like it was really used all that much, or it was really well taken care of. Here's a medium. And now low. love the sound these motors make. And they're super reliable too. These things hardly ever break down. Alright, so that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.